everyone, welcome to the Chefpreneur YouTube channel. My name is Chef Andres. If this is your first time watching this video, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell to get notified when new trainings come out just like this one. All right, today I'm gonna be talking about leads versus clients. Now, most of you that are wanting to start a personal chef business, or when you already have a personal chef business, all I hear from all of you guys is I want to find more clients, or I need clients, I need clients, I need clients. But I really feel like you guys don't know the difference between what a lead is versus a client. And that's what I want to discuss with you guys on this video today. All right, so let's just go to the whiteboard. All right, so you have on one side, you have leads. All right, very simple, versus clients. Now you might be asking me, Chef, what is the difference between leads and clients? Really simple, okay? Leads is something that someone is interested in your product, okay? So they're interested, all right? But they haven't pulled the trigger yet. They haven't purchased your actual products or services yet, right? Now, a client is actually someone who actually gives you money, all right? Now, why is this important? So many of you guys talk about clients all the time. I want to find more clients. Well, of course, we want more customers. In a nutshell, we always want more customers, all right? But in order to get customers, you have to first get leads. Then you have to have a sales process to turn those leads into actual paying customers or clients in this case, all right? Now, the whole time that I've seen you guys, and the most that I've seen you guys struggle with, is you think you just need to get more people out in front of you, and you need to understand, and you need to say, Chef, I really need to just get more people to purchase my services. The way you do that is it actually has to follow some sort of a process, all right? It has to follow some sort of a process. Now, what process is that? All right, so let's talk about the process a little bit to transform a lead, okay, into a client. So I'm actually gonna erase now versus, and we're gonna put a little bit of a arrow there so I could kind of show you guys what the actual process is. All right, because many times, and I don't know if you've ever seen this, this is called a sales funnel. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of give you guys a little bit of a training here on this, right? Here's a sales funnel, all right? What this is imagine just like you put water into a funnel, imagine that you need to get leads into this whole sales funnel, which is also called, in a nutshell, this right here is called your process, okay? Sales process, all right? Now, I'm gonna break this all down for you guys, all right? Because one of the things that I've realized, again, is because you guys talk all the time about clients. Well, clients end up here. They're at the bottom of the funnel. They're not at the top of the funnel. So we need to figure out what other positions, what are the things that we have to have in order to make a lead turn into a client, all right? So again, this is a sales funnel, AKA a sales process, all right? Now, marketing, in a nutshell, if I write marketing over here, okay, marketing is just the ability of what to say to get basically people to come into your sales process, all right? You following me? So step one is your marketing efforts, right? They're bringing quote unquote people into it. Now, again, once they hit your sales process, once they get, I guess you would say, interested, that's considered a lead. And then you have different stages in this funnel that actually allows them to continue to go all the way down to where they pay you money and become a client. All right, so this is the difference between leads and clients. You have to stop using the terminology that you need more clients. We all need more customers. That's what we all need. But it first starts with getting leads, and you first get leads into marketing efforts, okay? So what is this sales process here? What is the actual sales process you need? Well, you tell me, what is your sales process? Do you have a sales process? Now, when I actually coach many people wanting to start a personal chef business, when I actually talk to any of my students, honestly, this is the number one thing they struggle with. They don't even know what a sales process is, okay? They think that honestly, it's like, okay, if I put my stuff out there, if I just promote my brand to the world, I'm magically gonna have people wanting to buy my services. That's not the case at all, okay? Your sales process has to be very specific in order to take someone who's interested in you and actually getting them to buy from you. Let me give you guys an example here. I'm gonna erase this, but let me give you an example of one of the biggest companies that you probably know, and that is Amazon. All right, Amazon. I'm sure that we've all heard of Amazon, and to be honest with you, Amazon is a huge company, right? Now, think about it this way. Let's say you're looking, let's just pick something. Let's say you're looking at cookware, that you're wanting to purchase cookware, all right? I'm gonna talk to all my chefs and cooks out there, which I'm hoping is the people that are watching this video. Okay, cookware. You could buy cookware at anywhere you want. Right? You could buy it at Walmart, at Target, Bed Bath & Beyond, Bloomingdale's, Macy's. I mean, the list goes on and on. You could buy it pretty much anywhere, okay? Now, think about it this way. Amazon, all right? Amazon sells, of course, pretty much everything. And right now during these times, I mean, honestly, I feel like Amazon's grown even more because people are just wanting to be inside or be at home. They don't want to go out and they want to have things delivered to their door. And a lot of times, Amazon is sometimes cheaper than other places. Now, think about it this way, all right? The way that you have to approach yourself in your business as a personal chef, if you're wanting to start a personal chef business, you have to understand, how am I going to get leads? Okay, how am I going to actually get people interested? And the biggest thing about Amazon, other than its huge brand, is its messaging, right? We've all heard of Prime. All right, which you get 2-day delivery. All right, that's pretty strong, right? So if you don't want to go out, you can actually get it in 2 days. Now think about their process. Their process is simple, okay? That's why so many people use Amazon. It's not always just because they don't have to go out of their house. It's because it's so simple to use. In fact, they have like a one-click now, right? Where you can just really actually take and buy a product with one click. Your credit card set up, you're like, I don't even need to see it, whatever. I like this cookware. You click a button, one click, it's already purchased. There's no, it's pretty simple, right? So their sales process can literally be one click, all right? Now, this is what I teach my students all the time in my masterclass. It's like, what is our sales process as personal chefs? Because again, you can find leads from anywhere, right? Leads are gonna come to you, whether it's through a referral, you handed out a business card at some networking event, right? You're on social media, you have you're on Yelp, or you're on any of these sites that you get all these great reviews on. And so imagine a client is over here and they're saying, I want to hire a personal chef. Which personal chef am I gonna use? That's what they're thinking, right? So imagine you got your client here. I'm going to use stick figures. They're sitting there thinking, who am I going to hire? Who's going to be the right person to actually hire for? Let's say they're doing a nice little birthday party. They want to have like a little 10-person dinner. Okay. So they have a little 10-person dinner they're trying to plan. They're going to go through all these different means. They might go through Yelp. They might go through Google reviews. They might see somebody's website that they like. They might go through Thumbtack, any of these big players that we all know these names on how to find a personal chef. The messaging is really going to be the biggest thing, right? Your message and being simple is really what's going to get them to take action just to become a lead. And then from there, again, what are your processes to get them to be a lead into a paying client? All right, which I'm going to discuss in another video. But here's the deal. I really wanted to make this video because so many times I see you guys say, hey chef, I need to find more clients, I need to find more clients, I need to find more clients. And I'm curious to see how many leads they have, because I've talked to so many students before and they tell me, I've talked to so many of you and they've told me, chef, I get 10 inquiries a month, I get 15 inquiries a month. That's a lot of inquiries. And if you're not getting booked, then we have to look at what part of the sales process, what part of this equation are you missing? Okay, because if you're getting the leads, if someone's contacting you and asking you for a quote, if they're contacting you and asking you for some piece of information, they're a lead. They're interested in you. They're actually thinking about hiring you. So it's not really what's at the beginning of the formula, it's this part right here. What is the sales process? And that's the key. But I want you guys to stop using finding more clients as your number one problem, okay? Because the biggest thing that you have is that you need leads. First, you need leads. Without leads, you can't even turn them into paying customers. And then you need a process to actually take those leads and turn them into paying customers. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this training. I'm gonna be doing a lot more of these. So check out our channel. Again, hit that subscribe button below. Make sure you get notified. Click the little bell. Make sure you get notified. I can't wait to guys see you on. Take care. God bless you. This is the Chefpreneur and I'm out. Peace.